Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by locking in prerequisites and then build the very first endpoint. Choose your stack node, JS or Python, and provision PostgreSQL or MongoDB. This matters for query speed. Once done, obtain API keys for SERP and suggestion endpoints, accounting for rate limits. Make a simple schema that stores keywords, volume, CPC, and timestamp. Then implement the search API that queries external APIs, persists results, and returns JSON. Make sure to test with 1050 sample queries to validate fields and latency. Now focus on the complex middle: processing, caching, and the user interface. Implement batching and queuing with Redis or RabbitMQ to respect API limits and cache frequent queries for 124 hours. Build a responsive frontend that streams results while backend batches run. Use pagination and sortable columns so you can scan large lists. Compute derived metrics, trend percent change, difficulty score, and estimated traffic, and display them with sparklines. Once integrated, run load tests and profile slow queries to optimize indexes and API. Finish by deploying, monitoring, and validating end-to-end flows before you launch. Containerize and deploy with auto-scaling or serverless. Store secrets in a vault and rotate keys. Make dashboards with SLOs and alerts for failed API calls, latency spikes, and error rates so you react fast. If results are missing, backfill by requeuing jobs and provide an admin retry UI. One key troubleshooting tip: if data gaps occur, check API quota exhaustion first. Then validate caching TTLs and database write errors to trace the root cause.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.